In this segment, we're going to cover removing the rear caliper. On this model vehicle, the rear parking brake system is integrated into the caliper, and it involves the use of a parking brake cable that actuates a lever that ratchets out the piston, the rear brake assembly, and that's what how the vehicle is held by the parking brake. So to remove it, the first thing that we have that's different from front brake system is this shield. And that shield covers that lever mechanism and where the cable mounts to the caliper itself. So first thing we have to remove is this shield. That's going to require use of a 10mm socket and ratchet. There's one bolt on the top of it, and the other bolt is kind of hard to locate. You'll have to stick your head back in, and it's located down in the bottom lower corner of the shield. And we'll get that one next. I'm going to remove the top bolt, and that also has a lock washer on it. I want to make sure that that's there and we keep it with it. And if you feel around to the back side and all the way down to the bottom, follow the shield with your hand, you'll find that other small little, it's actually a 6mm bolt with a 10mm head. And just get the socket on there and break it free. And sometimes after you crack it loose, it's easier to get to with your fingers. There's more working room. And it's kind of inconvenient, it's tight back there. You just have to be patient. It'll take a minute or so, but you'll get it. After you get that second bolt out, keeping them together, and just remove the shield. It just lifts off and separates. And I'm going to lay it there and put the two bolts inside of it. Okay, that'll conclude part 1 of our removing the rear calipers. Please watch our next segment on removing calipers part 2.